Once a proud business owner, full of hopes and dreams, now to an inmate who will live the rest of her days in prison. Police Bodycam has captured the day that Tiffany Lucas killed her 2 young sons, and her bizarre behavior that is allegedly due to drug use.
Conscious? She conscious? Yeah. Gotcha. Ma'am, what's your name? Huh?
Tiffany.
I can't hear you.
Tiffany.
Tiffany? Mm-hmm. All right, Tiffany, I'm going to change these handcuffs out, okay? And then I'm going to roll you over and I'm going to sit you up, all right? Make it move everything. Got your handcuffs on. Now I'm going to pick your hands up so you can take these off. Do not struggle. Do you understand me? Okay, now I want you to listen to me. I'm going to take this arm. You're going to roll this direction, okay? You're going to sit up at the same time. You understand? 1, 2, 3. Take this leg, fold it in, make that foot touch your knee. Roll to the side, on the ground. Now we're going to roll again this way, and I'm going to assist you up on your feet, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Have you taken anything? Have you been drinking? Then why can't you stand up? You just don't feel like it, huh?
I said I don't feel right.
Don't feel right? Okay. I guess we'll put her in my car, and when EMS gets done in there, they can come over and check her out. Huh? They said they haven't found it yet, but EMS moved a bunch of stuff, so we'll have to find it later. Once the detectives get done, worst comes to worst, I can bring the dog in and he can locate it.
I think it's on the bed, but they moved it around. Yeah. And I'm not trying to interrupt.
I got you. No, I got you.
So we did clear it out.
Cool. Cool. What do y'all need? You just want to get something?
I think they got everything at this point. She didn't have it with her, did she? Didn't throw it somewhere on the way out, did she?
I don't know. When I got here, she was laying face down in the bed.
What we got?
They said they cleared the house.
Yeah, she was laying on the. She was on the driveway next door.
There, get a notepad, notebook, and start taking the names of everybody going in.
Okay, I know that's got a little bit confusing, so.
I've been ready to thank you.
Matter of fact, yeah.
Where'd you at?
Yeah, so that's what confused me for just a minute, so, alright. So if you can, have you canceled over?
What do you got?
Let's throw all that on the couch. And the scene's in there, right? Yeah, the bedroom. I believe it's on my bed.
What should I do?
What's that? The neighbors only know 2 children. Yeah, okay. I've never seen a third. All right. Only 2 boys here. Whenever I make the way out.
Grab that. Let's try to get names. You got one? Names. I just need names of everybody that come in here for the detective. Yeah, I know. We'll probably end up going to EMS after the fact.
Yeah.
Just throw it.
First one had with the neighbor. The neighbor gentleman that Chris was out with. That's the one who found him.
Did he hear it?
No, but said he walked out to his truck to leave, and she was standing down there, collapsed on his driveway. He thought something was wrong with her.
Everybody's waiting.
said,
We get all this cleared up.
You bring
write
it
down all your people's names.
I got it. Yeah. I didn't know if you were on that.
Not yet.
Well, what we'll do is I'll.
If we need to, we can try it with the gun. But I want to get the detectives here first.
We'll go. We can get you all the names now, or I'll have them go straight back. Is he getting them now?
If you can, yeah.
Okay. Bash them. I was gonna say I'll have them go back and do the report, and I'll just print you out the report.
That's 81.
You hear him out there?
Huh?
You hear him out there?
Next truck.
He ain't happy as that woman's on the other side.
Yes. Oh, you got her.
Yeah, she's in my car.
Yeah. She wasn't injured. I didn't see any injuries on her.
Looks like she peed herself. Yeah, it's this house. From my understanding, those are the neighbors. She ran to their house. When I got here, she was laying down over there handcuffed. Hillview had already cuffed her. Both the children in there, they're loading them up. They're going to transport, and they have not found a gun. Hillview said they weren't going to search. They made sure the house was clear for EMS to go in. They went in.
Hillview?
No, this is us. Yeah. You got Kenny James and one of those sergeants up there cleared the house, but they said they didn't want to look for the gun until y'all done what y'all needed to do. I've got the suspect in my car. She is not been Mirandized. She's on the other side. You alright? We'll get EMS check you out, alright, before we leave here. So was she handcuffed when you got here, Bob? Kenny's got your handcuffs. James, I traded them out in case we all got mixed up. You all wouldn't take off of yours. So he's got your cuffs. I got Billy's in there getting everybody's names and numbers down for the crime scene log, so we can fill it out later. He's just etching it out real quick. No, it finally calmed down. So what I'm guessing, she came out of the house and ran over there and told him?
She passed out. She was laying down when he came out. The ring doorbell notified him somebody was outside. She came out and seen her laying there, hollering at her husband, beating over. Asked her what was up. She said something about her 2 kids being inside and being up with her.
Got a weapon?
No, they have not found the weapon yet. They said they did go in and clear the house, make sure it was safe for EMS.
Why was she cuffed? Why was she taken?
Because she apparently admitted to someone that she shot her kids.
We don't know who
her
that.
dad, or was this guy here that said she did?
She come over here, fell out in the driveway. His wife seen it, which Christina got a statement from him. She got him, and apparently she told him that she shot her kids. He went over and looked and seen them and then came over here and called.
And this is this guy right here?
Yeah. The gentleman in the green shirt and the female in the black pants and green shirt, Christina got a statement from them. I changed out the handcuffs so we didn't have to worry about that. Got her off of her face, rolled her over on her butt, got her up, put her in my car, turned the AC on.
She was told she was detained, right?
Oh yeah, she knew. The only thing she... Alright, EMS is going to check you out, alright? Take this off of you. Come on, step out for me so I can check you out. You want her to sit on the bed or what?
Yeah.
Which way you want her head? That way?
Sit right there. Pull that head up for us.
There you go. Sit down right there. Turn your feet that way.
Alright, are you hurting anywhere?
I don't care.
Where are you hurting? Huh?
I need to get her.
Yeah.
Talk to me? You can't talk to me?
All she told me was she didn't feel right. I got her up off the ground.
Tell me your name. We're just here to help you. Can you tell us how you're feeling or anything like that? Are you injured? Does anything hurt?
All we were told is she made it to the neighbor's house and passed out. He come out and found her that way, and then she
You have
woke up
anything
and
hurt
told
on
me.
you at all? Daniel, you got scissors. All right, I'm gonna cut your sweater off here. Make sure that you're not injured anywhere.
If you want her to lean forward, she's handcuffed. That's what, she ain't moving her hand.
Huh? You don't call in.
Kyle? I think he went to help escort the kids. He just took off out of here.
Y'all will be able to get their information, won't you?
Yeah. We'll get her info. We'll just call over and give it to y'all.
And if you can get that to
Yeah. Says you go over here to see the little powwow by Kenny James.
Yeah.
You go over and get one of their numbers. That's one of the detectives that'll take the lead on this. They'll be able to get you everything. Yeah, I'm gonna ask you something real quick. Can you answer me? Do you have any weapons on you? No? Okay.
Have you done any narcotics or anything today? No alcohol, nothing like that. Blood pressure now, sugar up. Just gonna feel a poke in the finger here. This is your old. I'm gonna set it right here. You come out of. Christina's doing.
Okay, cool. Well, if you
Billy's
want-
clear. We're gonna have to answer calls.
If they want to do that, then they can use that from now on.
Okay.
If you want. If you don't, we can just throw it in the car. I don't care. She's good?
Kind of injuries on her or anything that we can
Okay.
see. Alright, let's get back up here. Alright, step off the side of the
Alright,
stretcher.
step back
here.
off. You're going to get back in my car. Right there. Scoot your butt over.
But no visible wound was ever found.
Lean back.
Oh, you're not? No. Okay.
Okay. We're going in over here. Watch the rocks. You tenderfooted? Okay. Okay. Stand here with him. I'm going to get my wand.
Okay.
I'm going to do that myself since. You got a light? Will that light turn on? Okay. This is just the wand, okay? It's just to check you. You got anything on you? Nothing? Just the handcuffs? Yep. They're just picking up the handcuffs and ankle bracelet. You got a necklace on? Earrings?
I shot myself.
Huh?
I shot myself in the head.
You what?
Shot myself in my ear.
You shot yourself in the ear? What's ear?
That's a,
I don't see anything.
There's nothing there.
Okay.
Okay.
Where you?
We're gonna take her back to the interview room. I gotta go in and turn it on, so we're gonna wait till I get there, and that way we can review her and just keep an eye on her, okay?
Okay.
So,
You want me to have EMS come over just by what she just?
yeah, start over here, and then,
910 right now. Can you start EMS over here to SOS code 1B5?
I'll tell you what. You got your camera going?
Yes, it's
Okay.
still going.
We're having a seat in that chair until EMS comes and checks you out, okay?
They couldn't find the wound to her ear.
We brought her through the door, and she claims that she stated she shot herself in the ear. We checked, didn't see anything, but we're going to have EMS come check her out. I'm going to go ahead and give her, I know you're going to talk to her, but I'm going to give her Miranda rights because she's made a statement about the neighborhood. I just don't want her to say her just free speech or just openly let her talk. Okay.
Which ear did you supposedly do that at? One right here?
I did. I know.
Right, okay.
I know.
You know what?
Okay, all right, we'll see you in a few minutes then. Okay. All right, bye.
You ain't shot nothing now.
What about, you said the neighborhood? Okay.
Am I showing something now? It was showing something, you said? Yeah, it did.
Huh?
He said it ain't showing nothing now.
It's not.
It was earlier. That's why
It was
you asked-
vibrating, but
That's why you asked about the earrings in.
right, but it could be
Yeah.
it could be coming
Yeah.
up with your handcuffs too.
Yeah. That's why it was vibrating. People aren't right.
Who ain't right?
People are not right. They're preying on children. It's just not right.
You Miranda, do you?
No, Rick said not to.
Yeah. I caught a bracelet on her ankle.
Unit on Brentwood at 86.
The handcuffs back. But as I was coming up and going around her, it was going off again when she said she shot herself in the ear.
Okay.
If I just stayed up by her ear, I'm not seeing nothing. That's supposedly
He
the one she
did,
said.
though. He did, didn't he? He said, "You got earrings in, didn't he?"
Okay.
It's on camera.
It's okay.
That don't have nothing to do with it.
It means everything. You're up. You're sick.
Yeah. No, I'm not seeing anything. Get another set of vitals and
Second one. No.
Unit on Brentwood at 86.
And like I said, he'll be here to talk to you in just a few minutes.
how are you?
She just sat back against it and went out for a second and collapsed over to the side for a moment.
When? Just
Just-
now?
2 minutes ago.
Okay. Are you okay? You feel like you're going to collapse again, or? Okay. Are you thirsty? Let's, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to take her and handcuff her to this rail.
Okay.
That way you're Is that better?
Go ahead and stand up for me. Turn face up wall.
Do you move to everyone's step too?
Huh?
Do you move?
Do I?
No.
Go ahead, you can ask me. What you got?
She claims I move. I told her I'm not a person that sits still. I move constantly.
Yeah, I've got that jittery, I'm always having to Of course, I move pretty slow. Getting older.
You got her.
He moves to every sound.
Huh? Do I?
Here, let me slide the chair closer. Set up.
Yeah. Go over there. There you go. How's that? You want to speed up a little bit?
It's really tight. I'm not gonna resist nothing. Can you just listen? I'm not a mean person.
Loosen just a little bit.
I know I seem ugly, but I'm not. I feel like I've been manipulated. The games, systems, and everything. Been manipulating my children, manipulating my mind.
Really is?
All them game systems and, just everything.
The games, you said?
Yeah, like PlayStations, all the games that the kids play.
Yeah.
It manipulates their mind and it makes it to your mind.
Yeah.
Let me get her a bottle of water.
Let me see what I can find.
Okay.
There ain't no bottle of water.
Okay.
Get mine.
See, as soon as you walked in. Do-do-do-do-do.
I don't know.
Why is it doing that?
My phone.
As soon as you walk in the door? That's weird, right?
It's weird.
It's weird. As soon as people walk, sounds, that's not right.
No.
Let me shut this.
See?
Let me shut this.
It's not right. See?
Not for right now.
Okay.
Every time I say something, your phone's going off.
Believe me, I wish it wasn't going off. So my phone's going off. Let me see.
God, right.
Hmm?
God. Oh, wait.
What's your name, hon?
Tiffany.
How do you spell it?
Tiffanie.
Tiffanie. What's your last name?
Lucas.
Lucas?
You know my name.
I've got it in there, but I swear to God, it's in there, and I didn't
It
feel
was
like
written
I
on
was,
everything in the back of the police cars.
I
I've
was,
seen it.
I'm telling
I've
you,
seen it.
I don't
No,
have, I can go in the
I've
other room and get it.
No, in the
I'm
back
just
of the
letting
police
you
cars,
know.
there's white things with Lucas written on them. I've seen it.
Really?
Yes.
I have not seen that, huh? I have not seen that. What's your middle name? Or do you have a middle name? What is it?
I have two.
Oh.
And Kevin.
Anne Catherine?